Hey guys, so today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look I'm wearing. I'm sorry that this is a voiceover intro, but I lost the footage of my intro, so I has to do a voiceover. But I've gotten a lot of requests from you guys over the past few days telling me to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial using my Dream Street palette. So that is what I'm doing for you guys today, another Dream Street tutorial. This is a rose gold smoky eye, perfect for Valentine's Day. And for today's tutorial, I'm mainly focusing on the eye makeup. So I already have my foundation, my concealer, and my powder on in this video, but I do show you everything else. But let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna take my Dream Street palette, and the first eyeshadow I'm using is Magical. I'm gonna use this color as my crease shade. I'm using this on a big fluffy brush, and I'm pretty much just putting this eyeshadow all over my eyeball. Apparently, I want this color to be everywhere, basically. So I'm just blending that in, going in little by little and adding more color, and then I'm gonna take Shooting Star, and on a smaller brush, still a big fluffy brush, but not as fat, I'm applying this a little bit more precisely in the crease, not taking it as high up as I took Magical, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I took some powder and I applied this underneath the eyes because I did apply my foundation already, so I wanted the fallout to fall on the powder and not on my foundation. But I took the shade Twinkle, and this is the star of the show. I'm just applying this all over my lid with my finger, and then I went into Elfish, and I'm just applying this to the outer corners and dragging this color into my crease. I am gonna start building this color up little by little as I go on in the tutorial because I want it to be pretty dark in my crease. So I do go back into this eyeshadow a couple times during the tutorial. I also don't want things to look too harsh in the crease, so I go back in with Shooting Star and I'm just blending out Elfish. I don't want it to have any harsh lines. I don't want it to look like, too intense. So I'm just constantly blending out the harsh edges. And then I took some more of Magical to give it that peachy look in the crease. I really love how the peach just makes the crease pop. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with Moony, of course. I'm gonna wet my brush and I'm gonna take a little bit more of Twinkle. Even though you don't need to wet this eyeshadow, it just looks so intense when you do. So I'm applying just a little bit more on my lid. And then I went back into Elfish and I did the exact same thing. Just applying this to the outer corners and dragging that into the crease. And just blending, blending, blending. I'm gonna go back into Magical and you guessed it, add some more to the crease and blend some more. And then I just repeat this step a couple of times. For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the same shades I used in my crease in the exact same order. A little bit of Magical, a little bit of Shooting Star, and a little bit of Elfish. I'm just not gonna drag Elfish all the way across my lower lash line. I'm just focusing this on the outer corners of my lower lash line just to mimic the top lid. And then I went in with a deep brown eyeliner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil. I wanted like a deep chocolate color and I love these eyeliners. They're awesome. They last all day. And then for mascara, I went in with the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and it's an awesome mascara. It makes your lashes look incredible, but I wanted something a little bit extra, but I didn't want to go in with falsies, so I went in with the Kiss Individual lashes, and I just applied some of these on the outer corners. Well, not like only the outer corners, but I didn't drag it all the way in. And then to finish up the face, I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and this is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I just used the contour side to contour my cheeks a little bit, but to bronze up the skin, I went in with the Jouer Suntan Bronzer. I love this bronzer, and I'm just applying this all over my face to give me a nice bronze look. I'm gonna mix two blushes together, but I'm gonna go in with the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush first. I love this blush. I can't get enough of it, but I wanted something a little bit pinkier, a little bit rosier to put on top. So I went in with the Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade Baby Doll, and this added the nice little pinky touch, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm aware I went a little bit overboard with the blush, but sometimes that happens. For highlight, I went in with the Amrezy highlight with Anastasia. It actually launches today when you're watching this. It launches on Valentine's Day. And it's amazing. It's beautiful. So I just popped that all over the place. And then I went in with the Ben Nye Final Seal Matte Makeup Sealer. And wow, I don't like this. I mean, obviously, what was I expecting? It's a matte makeup sealer. But I just wanted to test it out. And supposedly it's great to make your makeup last all day. So that's awesome for you oily gals out there. For my lip combo, I first lined my lips with the Catrice Lip Foundation. This is like the lightest one they have. I forget the name. It's not on the actual lip liner. And then I went over it with the Colourpop Lux Lipstick in Boy because I wanted it just a little bit lighter. And this is like the perfect mixing lipstick. And then I wanted a glossy finish, so I went over it with the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Undressed, which is like a super nude, but it looks so pretty and juicy. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.